excited because today I'm going to be unboxing my highly anticipated Kiara Sky dip set. And as you can see, my nails need some love, probably like everyone's right now, right? So let's open this up. I'm so excited to see what's in here. And this is also my first video with my camera. So let's see how this goes. So I'm so excited. So what I got was build your own dip kit with build your own dip powder bundle. All right, so this is what's in the bundle. Of course, the box is gorgeous, right? So I got some stuff earlier. So earlier I got some rub-on of the mermaid, the hollow, and the chrome. And I also got a top coat, the gel top coat, so that I can add bubbles to my nails. And so I'm waiting on just a few more things and I'll have an underground nail salon. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm so excited to get this. Build your own kit. And so what I chose was the dip color starter kit instead of the French. And that's the options. You can do French or the color starter kit. It comes with the dip powder recycling system, which I'm very excited about because I want to be able to save my product. I don't want to have to use a lot, and I don't plan on going to the salon to get them done. So that's exactly why I did it. Right now salons are not open. I'm sure in a few years when people are still watching this video, they'll say, why aren't they? It's just because of the pandemic of COVID-19. And so this is a DIY at home. They've made it so you can do it at home, which is so cool. And so I did add some extras. I added this beautiful dip powder in 90s baby. So I'm excited to see what that's gonna look like in the 90s baby. Woo! Because I'm not a 90s baby, my sister is, but you know, whatever. I also ordered some clear, which I already had in the kit, but I didn't know it. So it's not gonna hurt to have more, right? Because I'm gonna continue to do my nails at home. I ordered this beautiful brush because it's my favorite, signature pink. Everything is pink. And then the rub-on applicator matches it as well. So this is to brush away. I'm excited. I ordered that. All right, and then in the set, now I think you get to choose. I got to choose one extra color. So let me choose an extra color. All right, and I got to choose 2 PEDIPACKs, which I will be so happy to use in my closet salon here. So 2 PEDIPACKs. So I chose, what is this scent? Oh, I mean, it just says it. It says it like right there, and not right there. I'm homeschooling right now too, so I'm momming. All right, so this is perfect. Like, I'm a mom, you know, I'm closer to 40 than not, and I really just enjoy having some paper time, but I don't have time to go to the salon even during normal time. So I'm excited to try this. Definitely these 2 on the feet. Get the feet ready to go, honey, because it's going to be spring and summer when they do let us out of here. And I am so excited to try this. I cannot tell you how excited I am. I feel like a princess. Do you feel like a princess? Because I feel like a princess right now. I feel like a woman. All right, so we'll come back and see what happens with it, but I'm without words, so excited. This is like a highlight of a mom's day today. A highlight.